Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is the Euro Australian dollar trade I took last week. And after I took the trade last week, I said something that was aiming for the weekly CRT low, which is this low. I said it in the previous video. And I had to close all my positions. Okay, I opened one position in that particular trade, so I had to close it here. Then I made mention, I said something about the market retracing, but I did not mention the particular place it was going to retrace to. And as you can see, it's retraced. And I also say that after this thing happened, you have to look for a bearish CRT in the 4 hour time frame. And I also say that whenever you're trading a weekly CRT, any CRT you're looking for in the 4 hour time frame should be bearish. If the CRT or if you're aiming for the CRT low of the weekly time frame, the weekly candle, and if you're aiming for the buy side of the weekly candle, any CRT you're looking for in the 4 hour time frame should be a bullish CRT. So in the last video, I said something about the retracement and looking for an entry, but I did not catch this whole thing because I was busy. I was very, very busy. And when I had time to come to the market, I went straight to gold and Euro USD. So, but Euro USD was not, as at the time I was analyzing Euro USD, it was trying to close the opening gap. And I used to tell some traders, it works sometimes. I mean, if the market opens and it gives a very long gap, very huge gap, after spread, you can buy to cover up those gaps. Trust me, it's I won't say 100%, but let me say 80%, 80% accurate. So, but then I was waiting for it to close, give me the entry for me to sell because we are aiming for the for the sell side liquidity of the candle. I'll go over to Euro USD after I'm done explaining Euro AUD. So then I made mention of the retracement, and once this happens, once this happens, it's going to dump and hunt the weekly CRT candle low. Why am I saying all these things? First of all, I want you to know that whatever I'm teaching you is something that works. I don't believe in paying for private channel groups. I mean Telegram private groups so that you can be collecting signals from those your mentors or whatever. I don't believe in all those things. It's free here. Whatever I'm teaching you is something that works. If you can master everything I'm teaching you, you will make a lot of money. You won't even need anybody's signal. Now, I'm not saying this so that those in my private group will feel bad, but before I opened the private group, I used to say it in my Telegram channel, public channel. I always drop the message that I say, a lot of you come to me asking me to open a private group. But then, but then I keep saying this. Anything, all the things I'm teaching, anything I'm still going to teach you people is something that works. So you don't need to look for those ICT CRT traders that open private Telegram group dropping signals, even if it's free. I mean, some of them make money. You can make money from, but if you want to be a professional trader, forex, crypto, synthetics, you need to learn. You need to learn, practice, and master whatever any strategy you're using, you're planning to use. This this thing is just an example that whatever I'm teaching you is something that works. including my screenshots and previous videos I've uploaded in my Telegram channel and my YouTube. The system works. Anytime the system fails for you, note it down. It's not the system's fault, it's your fault. So as you can see, the weekly time frame, the weekly CRT low was taken today. As easy as that. Trading is so sweet, especially when you know what you are doing. Imagine making money from this. You won't need to trade again this week, except you are obsessed. Yes, I said it. Except you're obsessed. The only reason I come to the market most times is because of those in my private group. Because left for me, I can stay 2 weeks without trading. I've done it plenty times. I can stay more. I can stay a week. Why? Because I don't depend on the market for money. I have other things I'm doing, other things I do to lead to make money. So if you can catch this thing, whether you open two positions, one position, whether your lot size is 0.01, 0.02, 0.1, 0.5, bro, it's okay. You don't need to chase the market every single day. It's not necessary. I'm dropping out to the daily time frame and we're moving over to Euro USD. Now the Euro USD, I said something and I'm still going to talk about the range trading strategy or whatever. But that will be my next video. I'll be uploading the video very soon. I don't know the day, but then I'll upload it very soon. So all these things are ranges. So in this particular candle, once the low or the high is taken, you aim for the opposite direction. So in this case now, Euro USD high, this particular candle was taken. You should channel your mindset or whatever you want to call it to this low. Please, you should uh don't be confused by any mentor or anybody. This is what it should be. So I don't want to make this video long, but I just wanted to show you how the euro Australian dollar played out. Simple and easy. I hope you found this insightful. I wish you good luck in your trading journey and be safe.